out, guys. Everywhere in the world, I guess. In France, it's on ADN and on Crunchyroll, guys. So, of course, I can't play the video for you guys. Copyright, I'm gonna be banned on YouTube. But today is a live reaction of the episode 1 of Dragon Ball Daima. So let's go. Okay. Toei Animation. A planet with fire. The Dragon Ball. Yes. Yeah, beautiful animation of the Dragon Ball. Shenron. Goku is a little skinny, not massive. Bro, I love the animation, bro. Ooh, wow. Yeah, Kid Goku. OG Dragon Ball. Oh my god, I love the character design, guys. Oh no, this is beautiful, bro. I want a remake of Dragon Ball. Gratis. Goku. This is the story of Goku, Badak. The Badak from Dragon Ball Super, okay? Kamehameha. Frieza. Said Watson is beautiful, bro. Hey, boo. Yeah. Oh, hey, the Z team, bro. This is amazing, guys. Bro, Dragon Ball Daima, bro. The animation is crazy. Planet Earth. A new threat on the planet Earth. Episode 1, Complot. Story, Akira Toriyama. Thank you, Akira Toriyama. Rest in peace, Sensei. 40 years of Dragon Ball this year in 2024. Thank you for everything, Akira Toriyama Sensei. Okay. Spiral. Hello day. I'm reacting to Dragon Ball Daima episode 1 today. I can't show you the show, of course, because of the copyright. You can watch Dragon Ball Daima and watch my reaction too. Okay, we see Babidi, you know where Boo is, yes, Dabura, Babidi. King Dabura. The king of the demons. Yeah, the king of demons is dead. Okay, so we are watching demons. Son Goku. Bro, it's zoom. Bro, I want a remake of Dragon Ball when I see that, bro. 2 years ago, we saw the animation in Dragon Ball Super Hero, and now that. Bro, if we have a remake of Dragon Ball with 2-day animation, that's gonna explode the internet, guys. No problem, baby. Bro, he's switching to... Oh my god! Majin Vegeta is beautiful, man! No, the animation is crazy, bro! What is that, man? Bro! Man! No way! Super Saiyan 2 Goku! Oh my goodness! We need a remake, man! No, bro! No! Can't wait to see Super Saiyan 3. They use magic. No, they use the key, guys. That's not the magic. Dragon Ball Super. Dragon Ball Daima episode 1, guys. Reaction. Majin Buu. We're gonna see Gohan versus Majin Buu. This is the fat Majin Buu. Yeah. Boo! Boo is back. So there no the Buddha is gonna be eaten by Boo, and Boo is gonna eat by Buddha. No, he eat the king of the demon. Boo is too powerful, bro. The Buddha. You are the king of the demons now. Bro, this little character is the king of the demon. He's very ugly. He's like a Joker. A little Joker, but very, very, very ugly. I don't like his character design. Piccolo. Bro, Piccolo is amazing. As you know, Piccolo is the favorite character of Akira Toriyama in Dragon Ball. No, the sacrifice of Vegeta. No way, it's gonna explode, bro. It's beautiful. Vegeta versus Boo. No, man, bro. Go watch Dragon Ball Daima if you can, guys. It's beautiful. You see Dragon Ball Z scene, but with the animation of today. No way, guys. So we're watching Demon, watching Goku story against Boo. It's like they're watching this in live, guys. Because Dragon Ball Daima is not after Dragon Ball Super, guys. Dragon Ball Daima is just after the end of Dragon Ball Z. Alright. Yeah, the Dragon Ball. 7 Dragon Ball, guys. Yes, 7 Dragon Ball. No, that's not Purunga. That's Shenron. Purunga is the dragon. Is a dragon from the Namek. Hey, Yamusha. Yamusha Bulma. Ah, guys. I really hope I can show you the episode 1. Tell me, where are you guys, and where can you watch Dragon Ball Daima? In France, we can watch on Netflix, on ADN, and on Crunchyroll. Maybe other device. Yes. In Earth, we can do free wish with the Shenron. And the demons want to summon Shenron. Boo is killing Babidi. Babidi. Bro, they doing nothing. They're just watching Boo doing jumping, breaking wall. Bro, I don't care about Boo. Show me Gohan, Goku. No. I think it's... We saw everyone. Vegeta is dead. Gohan is training with Kaio. No, Super Boo, guys. Super Boo is very awesome, man. No, Gotenks! Gotenks, Super Saiyan 3 Fusion. Whoa! Oh my god, guys. No, Gohan! Mystic Gohan, guys. No way! Bro, why are you showing us that, guys, to animation? Just make a remake of Dragon Ball. Goku doing the Genki Dama, guys. Against Boo. Bro, the animation is fire. The music? Not good in Daima. For example, the music in Z, the best. The music on Super, very cool. But in Daima for now, don't like the OST, guys. Bro, Goku doing the Genki Dama Boo. Matana. Ha! Bro, this is awesome, man. Please go watch Dragon Ball Daima episode 1 for all the people who love Dragon Ball. Bro, Goku is like that, guys. Boom! Go back to normal, sir. Oh my god! Yo, this is beautiful! No way! This is awesome, guys. No, bro. Bro, us, we got this, but imagine the fan of One Piece. They're gonna have the remake of One Piece soon on Netflix. The remake of the first episode, guys. By which studio, I think? Okay, so now the new king of the demon. What is his mission? King Goma, guys. King Goma. The new king after King Dabura. Dabura from Dragon Ball, you know, when he was with Babidi. He's very ugly character. Don't like the character design, guys. And there's a Kaio D. Degesu. Dr. Arinsu. Degesu, Dr. Arinsu are the bad guy. She had very big, the character design is here. Guys, Dragon Ball Daima episode 1 is awesome. Yes, the Abura is dead. It's strange, we saw two Kaio with the new king of the demons, guys. I don't know why. You got this doctor was the assistant of King Dabra, and she said, "Now you are the new king. You're gonna give me money for my research." She tried to get money. They beat the legendary Majin Buu, and if they come to the demons realm, we are scared. They're scared of Goku, guys. They're scared of Goku, Gohan, Vegeta. They say for the demons, they are too powerful. They're scared that they're coming. It's like the Z team is too powerful for the demons now. Yeah, I don't like the music, bro. Damn, bro, he's the new king is scared of Goku. They can't come here. They can't come here. The Kaio say, calm down, king. He really scared of Goku, bros. Because Goku beat Boo. He want to, the new king of the demon want to use the Dragon Ball. Tamagami protect the Dragon Ball. Okay, demons have that Dragon Ball too. But the king don't want the demon's Dragon Ball. He want the Dragon Ball from Earth. Because there's free protector of the Dragon Ball in the demon realm. The king want to make Goku kid. This is the king of the demon idea to make Goku kid again, Vegeta and all the Z team guy. Because where they are kid, they are no more powerful for them. But even if Goku is a kid, guys, he can beat his ass up. I want to change them in children like that. They can attack us. Bro, you saw Dragon Ball GT. Even if Goku is don't have his max power, in Kid is gonna beat his ass. But as you know, this Dragon Ball Daima is before Dragon Ball Super, so no Super Saiyan God, no Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan, no Ultra Instinct. There's gonna be Super Saiyan 1, Super Saiyan 2, Super Saiyan 3 for Goku. Bro, I really hope Dragon Ball Daima was not about Goku and the Z team beat Kid again. I hope it's not just about that. The Kaio want a wish too. The Kaio with the king of the demons want a wish. He asked for a wish. Wakarimashita. Maybe the Kaio want to be the best. Bro, all the beginning of the episode is with the demon and the Kaio, guys. We don't saw Goku yet. Someone is hiding in the dark. Ah, yes, the bro. It's from the trailer. It's gonna be with Goku. He's a demon, so he's gonna help Goku. The Demon Tower, Dragon Ball Dama. Ah, okay. Oh, okay. The Dragon Ball from the Demon Realms are very big, guys. They are protected by some guardian. No way. It is a Namek. Hey, it's a Namek, a very old Namek in the Demon Realm game. Of course, there's a Namek because there's Dragon Ball. They they can't use the Dragon Ball Tamagami. Tamagami are protecting the Dragon Ball. Bro, what the old Namek is doing in the Demon Realm, guys? What the hell? Don't understand. Shower. It's been 1 hour since the Namek don't shower. And the king of the demons say, you stink, Namek. And guys, the demons Dragon Balls are like, it's like numeric, you know. Where are you going? We're going to the extend world. And the Namek very strict, the Kaio's like that. You don't brush your teeth. You're gonna meet another Namek, old man. You say there's another Namek? There's still another Namek? The old Namek from the Demon Realm didn't know there are no all other Namek. Bro, what is that? Bro, this this ship is like a giant fish. Who are you? I am the king of the demon, Goma. King Goma. King Goma, new king of the demon. King Goma, guys. Just give me your code. 0493. You want to go to the outside world? It's like the demon are not supposed to go to the outside world in Dragon Ball world, guys. They are afraid of the giant fish. They are afraid of a giant fish. They go into the mouth of the giant fish to go to the outside world. And there's a hole inside the fish, the giant fish. And the little ship is going to the world of Goku and his friend. Alright. What is happening, guys? Ah, okay. It's like they're going into another dimension. And there's a little fish now. You go into the outside world. Which universe? Universe 7. Universe 7? You want to go to number 3. Number 3 is popular. Someone going to the earth after Dabura and after Babidi. Bro, the king of the world is afraid about the little fish. Maybe in the demons real, the fish are more powerful than the demons. And the sister of the Kaio, the doctor, she's going to Earth. Bro, they are afraid of the fish, guys. That's not because we see a lot of lore of the demons realm in Dragon Ball. Because the demons land was in the game, you know. Happy birthday, Trunks! That's the Trunks' birthday, guys. Yeah, the side team, Trunks. There's Trunks, I saw Android 18, Muten Roshi, Piccolo, Yamusha, Goku, Kuririn, Trunks. 9 years old, Trunks, 9 years old. Saiyan grow up when they are 15. They stay little until 15, Goku say. And Goku say Vegeta is not tall. Hey, there's Kaioshin, guys. I love when the Z team is drinking and have a party, guys. Hey, Goku said you didn't fuse in with the Potara, Kaio? How do you do that? How do you do that? When Majin Buu has absorbed us, does the fusion has been cancelled? So they're going into the big Buu and they be diffused into the big Buu. Bro, the animation is fire, guys. Goku. Ah, you don't want to fuse, finally. Kibito is a little old, so Kibito is like, oh, Kaio-sama. Hey, Boo is eating really good chicken. Goku. Gohan is not there, say Kaio. Gohan is a little distant. Gohan is learning. Gohan is learning to be a scientific guy. Goku has a big shape now. Goku and Vegeta is gonna fight. Let's go for a fighting animation in Dragon Ball Daima. Whoa! Let's go, Goku. Pa, pa. And Kuririn say, here we go again. Come on, Goku, fight. Let's go, bro. Bro, the animation is fire, guys. No way. Ooh! Goku just get beaten by Vegeta in the nose. Bro, they don't... Just after eating, they fight Goku and Vegeta. This is Vegeta and Goku after Dragon Ball Z. No Super Saiyan Blue. No... Hey, Yariko Hoa by Vegeta. Goku is gonna do the Kamehameha. Yariko Hoa and Goku Kamehameha. Beautiful. Hey, Goku is winning the fight. Vegeta struggle. No! He charged into the Kamehameha and hit Vegeta. Nice, Goku. That's the Goku, the genius in the fight. Then they is watching Goku from his. Oh, the king of the demons are in the arrive in Earth, guys. Is in Dende Palace. He's gonna see the other Namex from the demon realm. We did it. We did it. Hey, the other Namek, guys. Who are you? He's a Namek. I didn't say Namek from 1,000 years. Are you a Supreme Kai? Not. We are from the demon realm. Like your ancestor. What? The Nameks are from the demon realm. The ancestors of the Namek are from the demon realm. You got the Dragon Ball from this world? Give me the Dragon Ball, the King Goma. The King Goma from the new king of the demons won the Dragon Ball. He asked for Dende. And all he asked to the old Namek to do something. Maybe the old Namek is gonna use the power to get all the Dragon Ball. The old Namek is watching the earth. We, the demons, have our Dragon Ball. And this old Namek fabric the Dragon Ball. Tamagami protect the demon Dragon Ball. We can't have our wish exhaust. But on Earth you got the Dragon Ball. Wait, you want to use the Dragon Ball from Earth? Of course. So the old Namek is using a power, the old Namek from the demon's world. What is doing, guys? I see. The wish and the Dragon Ball are in stone for now. We can't fight them. Yeah. What is doing the old man? It's like the old Namek's power. The Dragon Ball in the planet Earth. All Dragon Ball in the jungle, in the desert, in the ocean are coming to the old Namek, guys. He's very powerful Namek. The old Namek from the demon world. And then there's like, what the hell? What are you doing? Bro. It's amazing, guys. Neva, the old Namek. Bro, the old Namek. Bro, the Dragon Ball are in stone. But they can. No way, bro. The Dragon Ball are not in stone anymore. This Namek is very powerful. And then they say, I don't give you the password. And we say, we saw a video of you. The demons have a video of Dende saying the password. Hey, the Kaio attacking Dende, guys. Mr. Popo, we want to choose. Mr. Popo, you want to choose? Yeah. They say, Shenron, I want a wish. So the Kaio from the demon world summon Shenron. Hey, Shenron is in 3D, guys. Cell shading. Yes, it's in cell shading Shenron, guys. What is happening? Goku team's like, what? Shenron can be summoned. We use the Dragon Ball. And the Dragon Ball are in stone. Everybody is asking why the sky is black. Kai Supreme, Kibito, you feel that? Kaioshin feel the presence of the demons. Sendron asks, why? What is your wish? I want Goku to be a kid again. Everybody who beat Majin Buu and all his friends in child. Everybody's gonna be child, guys. What's happening? Un enfant de quel âge? Shenron asks how, what years for the 6 years old? You want Goku and the other to get 6 years old. And what about the child who's already child? He say the child who's already child, like Trunks and Goten, I want them to be baby. And Shenron use his power. He accept. Bro, what the fuck is that music, bro? It's so ugly. No, they're all turning child again, guys. Goku, Vegeta. Goku is a child. Vegeta. Bro, someone is singing in the back, bro. Everybody is child again, guys. That's the end. That's the end of Dragon Ball Daima episode 1, guys. Bro, that episode 1 was fire at the beginning, and after we got a lot of lore, lot of presentation of the new character. And what I like about it, we got a lot of lore. So Dynamic's ancestors are coming from the world of the demon. The demons got their own Dragon Ball, but they can't use it because the protector of the Dragon Ball are too powerful to the demon. The demons are afraid of Goku, Vegeta, Gohan, and the other because Cha-cha-chan, Sarayu. This is the song. Chan, Cha-cha-chan. Yeah, they're afraid of Goku, so and the Z team they asked Shannon to be Goku 6 years old ago again. Okay, guys. For now, the episode 1 was very cool. I think new people who enter Dragon Ball world will not. Maybe they will not like the. Wait, next episode, Glorio. Next episode, Glorio, we're gonna see a new character. His name is Glorio. He's the demon who was hiding in the dark at the beginning of the episode. Yeah, a lot of lore, guys. I really like this, and because we explore the world of the demons, and we didn't explore the world of the demon in the manga and in the original anime, just in the game. So yeah, that's cool. So thank you for watching the live, guys. I hope you appreciate. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the comment. And thank you for the people who's gonna watch the replay. It was Raurii on Dragon Ball Daima episode 1. And yeah, Dragon Ball. That's the life, guys. See you guys. Bye.